Hello my dear students, this is the second lesson in geometry. We're gonna talk about the relation between angles. The first one, the two complementary angles. When we can say the two angles are complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degrees. For example, if we have two angles 40 and 50 degrees, we can say both of them are two complementary angles. Another example, if we have two angles 20 and 70 degrees, we can say they are two complementary angles because their sum equal 90. Exercise number 1. The angle 60 degree complements with angle of measure what? When he asked me to find the other angle, we can use the previous rule and subtract 60 from 90 to find the other angle. Yes, 90 minus 60, it will be equal 30. 60 and 30 are two complementary angles. The angle 35 complements with angle of measure what? By the same way, we subtract 35 from 90 to find the other angle. 90 minus 35, it will be 55. 35 and 55 are two complementary angles. Now we're gonna talk about the two supplementary angles. What is the meaning of two supplementary angles? Two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degrees. For example, if we have two angles 80 and 100 degrees, we can say two supplementary angles. Or another, if we have 90 and 90 degrees, both of them are two supplementary angles also. Example, the angle 70 degrees supplements with angle of measure what? By using the previous rule to find the other angle which supplements 70 degrees, we subtract 70 from 180 degrees to find the other angle. 180 minus 70, it will be 110 degrees. Number 2, the angle space supplements with angle of measure 120 degrees. By the same, we subtract 120 from 180 degrees to find the other angle. Follow the relation between angles. Note the acute angle complements with what angle? Here we must write the type, not the measure. So, make think, the acute angle complements with what angle? If I give you acute angle, it means less than 90 and more than 0. It may be equal 40 degrees, for example. To find the other angle, we subtract 40 from 90, it will be 50. 50 also is acute. Then we can deduce the acute angle complements with also acute angle. Okay? And consider this as a rule. Any acute angle complements with acute angle. The right angle complements with what angle? By using the previous rule, if we subtract 90 from 90, it will be equal 0. So right angle complements with what angle? What's the type of this angle? Yes, it will be 0 angle. This is the opposite. The 0 angle complements with what? Yes, it will be right angle. The acute angle supplements with what angle? Yes, here he says supplements, not complements. So when we have acute, I told you, for example, we can suggest it will be 40 degrees. To find the angle which supplements with 40 degrees, we subtract 40 from 180. It will be equal 140. What's the type of 140? It will be obtuse angle. Yes, the acute angle supplements with obtuse angle. This is considering as a rule also. The acute angle supplements with what? Obtuse angle. The right angle supplements with what angle? Yes, by using the previous rule, 180 minus 90, it will be 90. So the right angle supplements with what? Yes, it will be right. The obtuse angle supplements with what? Yes, this is the opposite of this exercise. Then when we see the obtuse angle supplements with what angle, we can say acute angle. Zero angle supplements with what angle? If we subtract 0 from 180, it will be 180. What is the type of angle of measure 180 degree? Yes, it will be straight angle. Zero angle supplements with a straight angle. Follow the relation between angles. Here he asked me find the missing angle if AB line segment perpendicular to BC line segment. What is the meaning of this sign? When we have this sign, that it means there are right angle. Let's see. In shape A, he gave me AB perpendicular to BC. That it means ABC equal 90 degree. And he gave me a part of this angle which is DBC equal 40 degree and asked me to find the other angle. Okay, how to find angle ABD? By subtracting 40 from the 90, it will be equal 50 degree. So easy. Exercise letter B. Also here, AB perpendicular to BC, I means there are a right angle. ABC equal 90 degree. And he gave me angle ABD equal 20 degree and the measure of angle EBC equal 25 degree and asked me to find angle DBE. How to find the measure of this angle? Yes, by subtracting their thumb from 90 degree, we will find this missing angle. Like that, subtract 90, 90 minus, open brackets, 20 plus 25, it will be equal 35 degree. Letter C, also he gave me here AB perpendicular to BC, it means ABC equal 90 degree. But here he gave me two stars. What is the meaning of these two stars? That it means when we have the same sign, it means they are equal angles. They are equal angles. And he asked me to find one of them, measure of angle ABD. Here we can subtract or divide it. Yes, we must use the divided here. It will be 90 divided by 2, it will be equal 45 degree. Each one of them, it will be 45 degree. Another exercise, find the missing angle if C belongs to AB line segment. What is the meaning of this C belongs to AB line segment? That it means there are straight angle. Straight angle. Let's see. In shape letter A, he gave me here C belongs to AB. And he gave me here ACD equal 130 degree and asked me to find measure of angle DCB. Okay, I told you before when he say C belongs to AB line segment that it means whole angle ACB, it will be equal 180, it will be straight angle. So to find the missing angle here, we must subtract 130 from 180 to find this missing angle. Yes, it will be equal 50 degree. In the shape letter B, He gave me also C belongs to AB, that it means ACB, it will be straight angle, and he gave me measure of angle ACD equal 50, and he gave me measure of angle DCE, it will be right. How to know? By using this sign, that it means this is right angle, and he asked me to find the measure of angle ECB. Yes, by subtracting their sum from 180, it will be 40 degree. 180 minus, open brackets, 50 plus 90, it will be 40 degree. K, take care, letter C. He gave me here also C belongs to AB, that it means ACB is a straight angle here, and he gave me also measure of angle ECB equals 30 degree, and there are two stars. What is the meaning? I told you before, what is the meaning of these two stars? It means both of them are equal in measure, and he asked me to find one of them, measure of angle DCE. What we can do in this case? As a first, we must subtract 30 from 180 and then divide the answer by 2 to find one of them. It will be equal 75. Thanks for your listening. Goodbye.